Hi guys, and welcome back to another video from the GUI series. Before starting, please subscribe and leave a like. As always, it helps me a lot. And also join my Discord server if you want to chat with other developers or just be there, take part in giveaways and so on. Yeah, let's get right into the video. Today I will show you how to style your GUI menu, how to change colors, sizes, paddings, roundings, and a bunch of cool stuff. So let's get right into it. Subscribe and leave a like. Alright, so we open your Visual Studio here and we see the last thing we worked on, the button here. Well, our themes will not be in the while loop, so we need to go here up and yeah, go, let's say, above our state. And the first thing we need to do, we need to create a declaration point for our ImGui get style so we can change stuff. So first of all, the type will be ImGui style, then again shift 7 like this, and let's name it style. You can name it however you want, and it will be equal to ImGui get style. This is for a shorter declaration, and also it helps us. So there are two kinds of things we can access inside style. We can access sizes, paddings, and roundings by using style dot and directly frame padding or window, let's say, rounding. And we can access style dot colors with capital C, and then between square brackets we're gonna type the color, the element we want to change the color of. So let's say window background, window ImGui color. You need to type ImGui color first, so ImGui code underscore window background. And let's say we want to change the colors, or the color of the window background, to, let's say, red, right? So in order to do this, we need to first pick the RGB color of red, because ImGui works with RGB. So we can search on Google a color picker, and any site is fine. So now let's choose our red. Let's see, we want this, right? The most reddest red, right? So we can see here the red, green, and blue. This is RGB, and then we have another thing which I'll show you in a second. But we see the red we chose has a red value of 255, and then green and blue is 0. So how we do this here, we're going to type style.colors ImGui color window background equals to, and now we're going to use an im vector 4, not 2 as we used before. And this im vector 4, you see it asks for 4 things instead of 3. You would say that it asks for x, y, z, and w. X is R in our position here, Y is B, and G is Z. So basically this will be 255 for red, so R equals 255. Then we're gonna have 0 for yellow, and 0 for 0 for green, and 0 for blue. And you see it still asks for something. Even though we completed our color, it asks for one more argument, and that is the opacity, if you want to call it this way. The maximum value is 255 and the minimum value is 0. If you have 255, it's not transparent at all, and when you scale it down, when you go to 200, 100, it's going to become more and more transparent depending on how low the value is. So I'll show this right now. So style colors ImGui color window background is going to be equal to 255.00, which is red, with 255 opacity. So let's go and build this real quick. As you can see, done building. So we can open this, and as we can see, our window here is now fully red and not transparent at all. Let's say we want it to be transparent a bit. Let's go with a 190 here and build it again. Let's see what happens if we do this. And as you can see, you can't really see right now because the background is a solid color as well, but it is a bit opaque and you can see through it. Well, that's with colors. You can find a full list of this here in Imgui color. You have a full list of everything you can basically customize here. If you click Imgui window background, pick a definition, and inside the enum we will find everything you can customize, and you can customize this way. But there is one more thing you can do with style, the one I mentioned at first. You can do style dot, and without colors, this is to sizes. You can use window rounding, by example, and you can type equal to, and this will get a variable, a direct number. You don't need to use any vector. By example, style window rounding equal to 0.25. Now, I don't remember the exact values. You can put, but this is for testing purposes only, and a good, as you can see, 0.25 is very small and you can barely see any adjustment. But I'll put you a very good place to take some resources and learn. You can search Imgui themes on Google, and I'll post you the thread on GitHub here where you can find some themes made by other people, and you can get your own inspiration from here and make yours. So please don't skip from here and watch the tutorial first to understand what you have to do, but I will leave you this link in the description because you can get some inspiration from here, or if you're a skid, just copy paste it, but I can't really stop that, so it's your choice. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learn how to make a theme. If you want to have more themes, you can place everything here in a void and execute that void. For example, you can type void theme1, and inside here put this, and then execute theme1 whenever you want to apply this theme, and I'll show you this in a later video. But for now, this is everything I wanted to tell you. Please subscribe and leave a like, as it helps me a lot, and I hope you learn how to make your own themes and how to customize your menu. Play around with it a bit before going to the next video. See if you can make a simple theme, adjust some sizes, some roundings, maybe give some color to buttons or checkboxes, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you a lot for watching.